Yeah. Sweet dreams. Hello, E-Monkians! Welcome back to another tutorial. It's E-Monk, and we are going over Dante's guns. Dante Sparda from Devil May Cry 3. We are working on Ebony and Ivory. This is a pretty simple, easy tutorial. Not too bad. I think I only missed the footage on the girls that you see right here, but I'll explain that later. Alright, let's get this thing started. Quite a bit of detail, but not too much. Alright, you're going to need some painter's tape, quite a bit of it. And you're going to need 2 guns, the 45s, I believe is what they're called, .45s. And you need gray spray paint and black spray paint. I got Krylon, it doesn't really matter which one. That's just the brand I use. And you're going to mark off where it's going to be brown and gold and that orange tip. In the state law of Tennessee at conventions, you have to have a very noticeable orange tip. So I had to keep the tip on. I don't know the rules for y'all's state, but I had to do it for mine. So be sure to tape all that off. And then you're going to basically do a base coat of gray for Ivory and black for Ebony. Make sure that you do separate them. And the way to tell them apart which one you're painting black is Ebony, Ebony, I had it right, has a little gold piece up where you load in the ammo and stuff. So I'll show you another clip here in a minute. That way you can see which one you need it to be. So I got these for like $5 at Walmart. They were pretty cheap. They make sounds and they actually cock back and forth, so it's pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, and I sealed everything with Mod Podge. After I spray painted both sides, I put about 3 to 5 coats of Mod Podge just to seal in the paint so it doesn't rub off easy. And you want to do this each time you paint it. Trust me, because if you don't, it's going to chip off and then you're going to be very frustrated about it. So please make sure that you do that right there. And like I said, about 3 to 5 coats, and you're going to do this each time you add a new painting layer, because we're going to be painting about 2 more colors on it. So be sure to always Mod Podge after your paint job. I use Mod Podge gloss if that matters. You don't really have to. I like the gloss because I think it makes it look more weaponish, but that's just my personal opinion. It's on you. You can use matte. Don't really matter. Mod Podge is pretty cheap too. You can get it at any store. Alright, and now we're taping off where the brown, I think. Oh wait, nope, that's gold. Sorry guys. That's where the brown and gold is. I was doing both at this time. So, and then right here, you can tell this is Ivory because it's all taped up. And I'm showing you several degrees here. That way y'all can see exactly where I put it. I can't describe the names of it, so you'll have to forgive me on that. And then here is Ivory. No, Ebony. Oh my goodness gracious. Ebony. And right here is where I'm pointing at where you need that gold piece. It is not on Ivory. See? It's not on Ivory, but it is on Ebony. Make sure you put it on the correct side. This is facing inwards, I think, or outwards? Outwards. And I used some Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. It made it look really cool. And the tape, too. But yeah. Just add some gold. Make it gold. You're going to do the trigger guard, the back pieces, that little piece on Ebony. Hey, I got it right that time. And the bottom as well. So, and then you're going to paint it brown. After that, the actual handle guard. And right here, I added the letters with this calligraphy pen. And there will be reference pictures that y'all can get to see exactly what it says. The game actually released concept art of it. And the ladies, all I did was print them out, and I used Mod Podge 3D effect and just paint it right over them, and you let it dry for 24 hours. And I used my really hard super glue for it. And that is it. I will see y'all next time. Happy cosplaying! Jackpot. Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for making all of these videos possible. To become a Patreon supporter, go to patreon.com/emonk060292 or look in the description or in the eye above. Thank you guys!